So we've got a very nice Honda Civic FL5 Type R in with us that we've had here for the last few days. It's quite a rare beast. I think there's only about 160 of these in the UK. So we've had this customer. The customer's been to us before for a number of other upgrades that we've done for him, but he was ready to take the next level on his audio in here because there's quite a lot of discussions as regards to this type of car, and a lot of very disappointed people in terms of the actual audio quality in these. So we sat down, had a good discussion what he wanted to get out of the car, obviously a budget in mind. Within the actual budget, we've potentially look at a stage 1 or stage 2, depending on how his reaction is to this, and I think his reaction will be blown away, to be honest. So we've basically opted for just replacing and fully soundproofing the front part of the vehicle. So we've replaced the tweeters and the mid bass. We've absolutely gone to town as regards to the soundproofing of the front doors. We've also added an amplifier in here, and we've also added an Underseat subwoofer to basically complement the system. So with this, we've ended up putting the Audison APK 165Ps in the front. We've also gone for an Eaton 10-inch Underseat sub to give it some real punch. And then we've also opted for an SR 4.300 amplifier, which we've actually wired in fully active. So each channel is utilised per the tweeters and the mid bass. This then has given us the ability now to obviously make the whole sort of front area of the car with such a sort of high level of punch in there. It's I really wish you could hear it, to be honest, because it's really made such a difference compared to the old system that was in there, which was lacking in everything really. So obviously I can't show you obviously what we've done in terms of obviously the soundproofing and everything else in that way. If you do check out our Instagram, we will be posting the full build installation photos as regards to obviously the soundproofing, the speakers, obviously the new collars that we've obviously had to put in, as well as obviously where the subwoofer sits, and obviously the installation of the amplifier. Now I can show you the installation of the amplifier in here, which I will just show you now. So we've opted for installing the amplifier in a very discreet position in here, in terms of right in the sort of boot area. So it fits directly into an unused tool area within the car. And as you can see, there's no real visible wiring in here. It's very neat, out of the way, but obviously it does have access if we do need to obviously make further changes later down the line as regards to that. So that's basically sat in there very nicely. So if you do have an FL5 and you've been rather disappointed with the audio experience in these, and it's obviously not matching its performance and handling ability, then please give us a call at TTW Installations. We'll be very happy to undertake the job and make your FL5 sound as good as it goes. Please also check out our Instagram with obviously the latest build photos of what we've actually done to achieve the sort of sound quality in here as well.